Hello, dear Volvo lovers, welcome. Today we will talk about Volvo S90 B5 model. The S90 model, which will be presented in 2025, will be in the concept as you can see in the video. Volvo S90 B5 features an elegant and impressive exterior design. At the front, it boasts a large and powerful grille, recognized for Volvo's characteristic Thor's hammer LED headlights. This grille gives the car a strong and sophisticated appearance. The vehicle has a sleek body design with fluid lines. The smooth and flowing lines reflect Volvo's Scandinavian design philosophy, offering a simple and contemporary aesthetic. In the side profile, a long and smooth roofline contributes to the car's elegant and elongated look. At the rear, sharp lines and LED taillights complement a wide and flat rear window. The rear bumper features dynamically integrated exhaust outlets, enhancing the car's sporty and powerful appearance. The Volvo S90 B5 continues the renowned Swedish automaker's tradition of longevity and reliability. This model boasts a strong and durable structure, aiming to provide drivers with solid performance over many years. Volvo is globally recognized for its commitment to safety and durability, and the S90 B5 upholds this legacy. The vehicle's chassis and body structure are crafted from high-quality materials and meticulously designed, enhancing its resilience against various road conditions and environmental factors. Volvo vehicles are manufactured in modern production facilities, where the process is carried out meticulously on an assembly line. Here's a general overview: design and engineering. Each Volvo model is designed by expert designers and engineers according to predefined specifications and safety standards. Prototypes are created and tested during this stage. Material selection: high-quality materials are chosen for the production process. Volvo prioritizes materials that are durable, reliable, and sustainable. Production line: the manufacturing of vehicles takes place on modern and automated production lines. These lines